If you're a heating and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, what's a sales skill that you need to master when it comes to emotions that'll help you close deals and come across more as a human? And why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Sylvan Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technicians Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and business and a fantastic day to talk about you. When it comes to sales and mastering some emotions, some are better than others. Like, your ability to hold your emotions in when you get frustrated and when you get angry and when you get upset and when you get flustered is a great skill. On this list, though, is empathy. So I go to my mentor, Dr. Kevin Hogan, 2008-ish, 2009, and I'm like, hey, Dr. Kevin, what's something I need to know about sales? And he's like, Scott, you could read all the books. You could read all the sales books in the world. You could read all the books in persuasion. But if you don't have empathy, you are not going to have the ability to influence people. And I really thought about that. And I said, Dr. Kevin, can you give me an example? And he says, listen, whether you like the guy or don't like the guy, whether he's your political flavor or not here in the United States, Bill Clinton has the ability to show people that he has empathy for them and their situation for what they do. Now, was it real? Was it fake? I don't know. But you know what? If you're looking for something to model and something to have a conversation about, it's empathy. So I got the dictionary definition right here. The ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Now, when we talk about sales, we're like stats, statistics, parts, pieces, service, not service, warranties, guarantees. And those are all factual things, right? And it's really easy to go fact, and remove the elements of feelings out of this because it's like, whoa, wait, what's going on here, right? So it's really easy to talk about facts, but the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. So as you go through life, as you have events happen to you, it's easier to pick these things up. Like I think of bad breakups. I think of really bad breakups. Now, almost everybody at some point goes through a divorce or a really bad breakup, and if you haven't, somebody who has been through something similar is a good person to talk to. Somebody who has had major events in their life. They've had deaths in the family of people that they care about significantly. The ability to say, without having to say it this way, oh, I know what you're going through because I've been through it too. Like, that's the mistake. That's the mistake. To be there with the person and have them like, hey, this guy really understands or this girl really understands. Now, here's the thing. If you want to be better at sales, you want to be good at what you do, you should absolutely join my email publication. Go to this URL, type it into a browser, drop in your name, your email address, maybe your phone number. I'll give you the goods. Not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel. It's an email publication. You'll freaking love it. And occasionally I try to sell you stuff. So your ability to have empathy, think of it like this. You probably have like an aunt, an uncle, a grandparent. And if you don't know that, you probably have a neighbor or a friend that no matter what you go through, they're just there for you. You know that they care about you. You know that they like, on a human level. Like there was times when I was a heating and air tech and I did heating and air sales where I meet with somebody and they were just going through a tough time in life. Everything was going wrong. They weren't expecting to have to buy a $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 heating and air unit. They weren't expecting it. But like, if you've ever had teeth break, cars break at the most inopportune time, you can empathize. It may not be the same exact situation that they're going through, but something close. The loss of a loved one, the loss of a significant other, having to pay more money than you need to, getting caught in a legal situation, consulting for a business where it's going downhill and they should be going uphill. Like there's a ton of times where you're like, hey, I just need to be here for this person and have them know that on a human level that I care about them and I want the best for them. I'll share something with you. I was recently on a call with somebody who wanted to be a consulting client, and the person, the only thing they cared about was money. And I told them, I said, look, if you're going to work with me, you have to care about your clients more than anybody else. And the person said, the only thing I care about is money. And I said, I can't have you as a client because our values don't match. And so another way of saying empathy might be that you have the emotional feelings for the person in a way that you want what's best for them to get everything that they want and need out of life. There you go. You got one of three things to do from here. Just one of three. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.